Okay, this is the second part of our video. We now have everything hooked up to our machine. This is our Interpack power unit. It's hooked up. It's got hydraulic hoses that run to an upper valve and a lower valve. And what we have done is we've taken the cylinder, which is here, hooked it up to our jack stand, which is here, and we have connected it to our bracket, which is down here. Our bracket is right here, where that weld is. The bracket's behind here. It's underneath our brick wall, and this is the sleeve of the bracket that's welded to the bottom of it. So this comes up and it's welded to that, which is underneath the foundation. And then this is just a temporary setup. This jack stand slides into here, and then as this cylinder comes down, it pushes the pipe through the bracket, and ultimately the jack is what comes up. So what we will demonstrate now is, I want to film this brick garage column coming up just to show you that you need to get upward lift to stabilize this brick wall. If you don't get lift, you never know if you have it stable. So we're going to crank the machine up, and when I press the button, I should be able to show this brick wall coming up. Actually, the button that I push is this remote control that goes to a valve over there, solenoid. We monitor everything with PSI here. As you can see, that's starting to come up. And then watch, I want to film the wall actually raising up. Okay, here we go. So what we have is we monitor everything with our gauge. We want around 2,500 PSI. We're at 2. And we're starting to reach that now. So that's showing you how this is raising up and how it works. And the next video I'll show is all the mortar work that we've done to, give you the before and after of how it's supposed to look. Tune into the next video. Okay, we're still on the same job. Now we have removed our cylinders and our jack stands. Same set of steps. Still got our gap that's closed. But now our cylinders are out of here. So what we'll do is this excess pipe that was here, we cut this off. This video over here, this one shows we've already cut that off here. And then also what we have done is we have put this pin through the bracket. That bracket stays underground. That turns up and goes under there about 8 inches. And this was the leg of the jack stand fit on this bottom part right here. So all this really could come off now. It doesn't have any support. But this pipe went down about 20 foot. That's the bracket. The bottom of the bracket is just one piece bracket right here, all the way down to here. And then this pipe down here is a continuation of this piece right here. So this is what goes down to bedrock base. And this stays right here up against the bottom of the footing that's welded to this bracket that goes underneath the bottom of the slab. What we'll do is we'll cap this off. We'll put some cement in here, and then that will keep water from going down through there and soften up that ground. But all of that essentially stays underground and gets covered up. That's what it looks like after it's done. Alrighty.